Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, The Wife and I Wanderers.
As we were in my hometown Kottagudem, near to Patrachalam, we planned to cover Telangana tourism places. One of the highlights of our trip was discovering Bogatha Waterfalls.
Maybe few of you were aware of Telangana tourism ad by Nagarjuna talking about this waterfall.
As seen in this image, during monsoon season, you can experience such an amazing view. However, we are traveling in winter, so anticipate a smaller flow and take bath in clear water.
We started early in the morning, like 5 am. Though it's a winter season, due to the lowest dew in temperature, it started to drizzle.
It's around 150 kilometers from our place. If you want to cover more places in and around, there are few good pit spots like Medaram and Laknavaram forest for camping or spending daytime picnics, etc.
You will come across such beautiful mountains and lush agricultural fields that offers perfect escape from your stressful life.
It's very relaxing to watch these clouds touching mountain peaks.
You can also spot these thermal plants which reminds from the movie Wolverine. In fact, this is the place where Logan chops Deadpool's head.
Jokes apart, watching such amazing mountains with the cloudy weather doesn't feel like a winter season. It gives a feel of monsoon. Road drive felt very short, though we drove up to 150 kilometers.
At this main gate, there is an entry fee, 50 rupees for car entry and 30 rupees for each person. And it's almost a kilometer drive after this main gate to reach the waterfall.
Since it's a winter season and less public, we are allowed to take our vehicle closer to the falls and can park nearby.
Well, you can drive till this port and we can see waterfalls from here. There are signs of animals which live in this forest. We also have washrooms or changing rooms nearby.
You should not miss the view from these huts. There are around 3 of these huts and you can enjoy 360 view of forest and waterfall. We also ate our breakfast in this hut as it's almost private due to no public.
I bet monsoon time would be more greenery and playful for kids to spend a day here.
This place also got a temple near to falls on a small hilltop.
After exploring this place, it's time to get into the water. Well, it also started to drizzle and there are these rock paths which are slippery. Not sure if waterfalls got captured, but we can see waterfalls from our car parking. You can spot many fishes. In fact, they touch your feet and get that giggling walla feel. Or you might get scared too. Water is really cold, and my wife still trying to adjust to this freezy zone.
Winters are best. It wasn't crowded at all, and we enjoyed playing in this water for good amount of time. We went back to our childhood days. Thank you for watching our video. Please do like, share and subscribe.